Hey everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my kitchen right here. Just my kitchen for just a couple more weeks until I move, but I have here, it's the TH2389. We're gonna check it out and see what's in here. And I did kind of open it a little bit to see what it was. And what it is this here, and I'm gonna show you guys what this is as we look at them here. These are little stone mushrooms. Check these out. These are little mushrooms that are just made out of stone for like the garden and stuff, and they're really cute. And look at that, so that one there's a little colored one, and look at all these different colors of these stones. And it comes with, I don't know, there must be 50 or 100 or something in here, I don't even know. But they're very cool, check these out. And these are just little mushrooms. Let's see if they stand up. I'll put you down here and look at the table and see. Look at that, oh, it does stand. So I can stand up a bunch of them here. And look how cool, this one here is really sweet. This one, they're all really sweet actually. Look at the pattern on this one here. Look at that, isn't that cool? And this one here is cool too. It's got some lines on it. So I don't know what kind of rocks they use, but they made these into nice little mushrooms. So very cool. So and they all do stand up. So a nice little garden thing, or if you're doing miniatures or something. Looks very cool. So I'm gonna say these are super cool. Thumbs up from me. Very cool. So if you want some, I mean, they all look in good shape. I don't think a single one of them is broken. So they're all very solid, even though they're packed just in a big bundle like that. They all look great. Lots of different colors and lots of different stones. So very cool. I'm gonna put these out in the garden and stuff and put them by the little plants, or maybe even in my hydroponic garden or something like that. Just maybe to mark them, put different colors by the different types of lettuces I'm growing. Who knows what. But very cool, I like it. Thumbs up for me. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with some more reviews soon. And I'll give you the name of this and everything too. Thanks, bye.